3 herbal kitchen recipes that unclog arteries and prevent heart attack. Every 40 seconds, someone in the United States has a heart attack. It's a sobering statistic. It means that in the time it takes to watch this intro, several families will have their lives turned upside down. For decades, the conversation around heart health has been dominated by prescription drugs and surgery. But what if you could better support your cardiovascular system with ingredients already in your kitchen pantry? Yes, you heard that right. Hello and welcome to our channel, those tiny spices we use in cooking. But did you know they might have a big impact on your heart and blood pressure? So, in this video, we're going to look at 3 simple yet powerful herbal recipes designed to help support your artery health and protect your heart. You'll be surprised to learn how common herbs can be transformed into allies for your heart. Don't forget to check on number 2, where the leading nutritionist, health educator, and author Barbara O'Neill shared an amazing recipe for saving heart. So let's dive in.
Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end.
Number 1. Cardamom mixture. The first mixture we are going to discuss today is cardamom and ginger. As an ingredient, cardamom is well known for aromatic flavor. This is a popular spice with remarkable heart health benefits. Cardamom has compounds, like flavonoids and other antioxidants, which assist in fighting oxidative stress in the body. It is said that oxidative stress can damage cells of the cardiovascular system. Antioxidants play a vital role in safeguarding heart health. It is a wise decision to take cardamom tea for improved heart health. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties in cardamom help combat chronic inflammation, which is linked to heart diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties lower the inflammation markers in the body, and thus play a crucial role in lowering the risk of cardiovascular complications. A number of studies suggest that cardamom may assist in reducing blood pressure. The minerals like potassium in cardamom are crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In addition, the compounds in cardamom may help promote the relaxation of blood vessels, thus improving blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. It is believed that cardamom potentially reduces bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and enhances good cholesterol levels, HDL. This balance is crucial for maintaining heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. It is to be mentioned that improved digestion plays a crucial role in heart health by supporting nutrient absorption and lessening overall inflammation. Moreover, cardamom helps in the process of digestion and may assist in removing digestive discomforts that could impact heart health indirectly. Let's get back to another major ingredient of this mixture, right? It's ginger. Did you know that a simple kitchen spice like ginger can be a game changer for your heart? Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of heart disease. It may also help lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and even reduce cholesterol levels. Some studies suggest that ginger supports healthy arteries by preventing plaque buildup. By the way, it's super easy to add to your diet, and in this video we will make an amazing infusion in combination with cardamom. So next time you reach for ginger, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're giving your heart a little extra love. Consistent use in small amounts can really make a big difference over time. Okay, let's prepare cardamom and ginger infusion recipe for one person. So the ingredients we need: 4 to 5 pieces of cardamom pods, 3 slices of ginger, a cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 cups of water. At first, you need to prepare the cardamom. Gently crush the cardamom pods to release their aroma and flavor, and add them to a small saucepan. Add the 2 cups of water to the saucepan with the cardamom. Now bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the spices to infuse their oils and benefits. Add ginger to the cardamom mixed water. Then you can also add the cinnamon stick. Once the simmering is complete, strain the liquid to remove the cardamom pods and any other added spices. Let's pour the warm tea into a cup. Sweeten the tea with honey for extra health benefits, and enjoy. Caution: It will be a wise decision to consult a doctor before incorporating the cardamom and ginger mixture into your daily routine, if you have existing health conditions or taking medications. In addition, cardamom and ginger mixtures should be taken in moderation. Number 2. Garlic mixture.
Now we're going to have a look at garlic. Garlic is a very potent antibiotic. In fact, the research is showing is 6 times more powerful than tetracycline, and that's a common antibiotic. To use it as an antibiotic, you would need probably about 3 of those a day. Garlic has been studied for about 20 years now on the wonders or the wonderful effect it has on the heart and on the blood.
So, garlic is a very common ingredient that we use daily. It's a must-have item in our kitchen. Barbara O'Neill has highlighted the numerous benefits of garlic, especially for heart health. Garlic is renowned for its ability to help manage high blood pressure and keep the blood thin. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to have significant cardiovascular benefits. One of its primary actions is to help relax blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. This makes garlic a natural and effective remedy for hypertension. According to a study conducted by NIH, National Library of Medicine, garlic and its preparations have been widely recognized as agents for the prevention and treatment of cardiovascular diseases. Garlic consumption has significant effects on lowering blood pressure, prevention of atherosclerosis, reduction of serum cholesterol, and triglyceride, as well as inhibition of platelet aggregation. Additionally, garlic helps to prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Plaque buildup can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By preventing this buildup, garlic helps to keep the arteries clear and promotes better overall heart health. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which further support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and protecting the heart and blood vessels from oxidative damage. So, incorporating garlic into your diet can be simple and delicious. You can add it to sauces, soups, stir-fries, or even roast it for a milder flavor.
And some people choose to do the antibiotic sandwich, which is a slice of sourdough spelt toast, olive oil on that, and then grate this whole clove of garlic.
Okay, let's make this recipe from Barbara, and make sure you try this recipe as well. You can call this recipe is garlic and olive mixture. To make garlic and olive mixture, you need 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of fresh and chopped parsley, half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and salt and pepper for taste. Instructions you must follow. Mince the garlic and chop the parsley. Mix the garlic and parsley with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Use this spread on whole grain bread or as a dip for vegetables. It's a heart-healthy alternative to butter or margarine. By the way, if you can't stand the breath of garlic, Barbara O'Neill shared some amazing ideas.
What you can do is you can get a bowl of hot soup, grate it into the soup, and that'll just take the edge off it if a person cannot handle it raw. Or something delicious to put into your baked potato is to grate this straight into, say on the fine grater, grate it straight into olive oil and then spoon that mix into your baked potato. Very, very nice.
Some people also take garlic supplements, but it's always better to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Number 3, onion mixture. When it comes to healthy mixture, onion may be the last thing on your mind. Maybe you have never even heard of this mixture. But before you turn your nose up, you must know that this is one of the best mixture that you can make for yourself at your kitchen. We all know that high blood pressure is known to be extremely harmful. It causes various cardiovascular problems. So how exactly can onion mixture lower blood pressure? Since onions include the blood pressure-lowering substances flavonoid and quercetin, which can help you manage high blood pressure. The flavonoid antioxidant quercetin is found in high concentrations in onions because it has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It might help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. On the other hand, quercetin also helps the body produce HDL or good cholesterol and lowers LDL or bad cholesterol. This supports maintaining heart health. In addition, the sulfur and onions helps to thin the blood, preventing the formation of blood clots, in contrast to a placebo. A daily dose of 162 milligrams of onion extract high in quercetin was found to significantly lower systolic blood pressure in a trial of 70 overweight and hypertensive individuals. In that case, you need a perfect onion mixture recipe to keep your heart health at a good state. By the way, this mixture includes garlic, and I hope you are already well aware about the heart-healthy benefits of it. So let's make this onion mixture, and you can take it as a tea. Before making this mixture, you need to prepare a few things. 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 to 2 cups of water, lemon juice, which is optional, and 1 bay leaf, which is also optional. First of all, boil 1½ cup of water. Now mix both chopped onion and garlic together. Finally, add the onion-garlic mix and 1 bay leaf to the boiling water. Boil for some time till the water changes its color. Now strain and take it out in a cup. Finally, add some honey or dash of lemon juice to enrich the taste further. Have every morning on an empty stomach for best results. You can also have another cup in the evening.
If you're a tea lover, then you might want to try it if you haven't had it before. It is true that as a popular cooking ingredient, no kitchen is not yet fulfilled without onion. From immunity boosting to normalizing high blood pressure, onions are packed with incredible health benefits.
Some side effects you need to consider. People with IBS problems can't consume onions. Onions may promote relaxation and trigger heartburn symptoms, especially in people with GERD. Onions may increase your risk of having bad breath. They may also interfere with anticoagulant drugs like warfarin. So don't take onions while using these kinds of medications. If you have other health conditions, please consult with your nearest doctor before taking onion mixture. Even though onion tea may not be the most enticing drink, its health advantages make it worthwhile to try. The immune system can be strengthened, inflammation can be reduced, heart health can be improved, digestion can be improved, and even weight reduction can be helped. It's also crucial to make other lifestyle changes for a healthy and sound heart. The measures include eating more fruits and vegetables, exercising on a regular basis, and getting plenty of rest. Don't worry about when to take it. You can drink it anytime, anywhere. Please consult with your nearby doctor before taking these. If curiosity strikes, why not give it a try? Your heart's well-being deserves the best care possible.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.